So today in this video we are going to create hub and spoke network topology. First we need to create a resource group. And select the region, review and create. Next we need to create a virtual network. Create a virtual network, select the resource group. We can give this name spoke vnet. Then select the resource region east to west. Next IP address, it is a default 10 network and subnet is default 10 network. Next review and create. So the deployment is in progress. Now we need to create another network. So the second VNet we are going to create. This one we name it as hub VNet and select the resource group as RG1. Next is the IP address. This we make it as a private IP. 192.168.0.0. We need to add a subnet. Azure Firewall subnet purpose and subnet range address starting 1.0. Need to add and create it. Review and create. So we have created two virtual networks. Virtual networks. We have created hub VNet and spoke VNet. So next we need to create a network security group. NSG. Create resource group is RG1. Resource group name NSG. NSG name region. Next review and create. So now NSG has been created. Now we need to create an inbound security rule for a network security group. Click on inbound security rules, click add port range any, service custom, destination range. We can put star and then add. Now the security rule has been created. Now we need to go to our subnets and associate our spoke VNet to Azure Firewall subnet. Subnet to Azure Firewall subnet. We need to associate our subnet with NSG, Azure Firewall. Spoke VNet to our subnet. The subnet has been associated successfully. Now we are going to create a virtual machine, Windows VM. Select the resource group. We can name it as availability zone, no infrastructure. Security type standard. We can select Windows Data Center 2019. Standard 1 GB. We can change it to 3.5. Need to create a username. Now we need to select the port. Select the port is none. Let use an existing. I confirm I have. Next in the networking, we select Spoke VNet. Default configuration Windows IP. Review and create. Create. Now let's go and create a firewall. Create a new firewall. Select the resource group. Azure Firewall. Availability zone 1, standard, use firewalls rules, then select use existing and select our virtual network. Add new, create a new public IP. You can name it as public or firewall IP. Okay, next, review and create. Now create. Deployment takes around 10 minutes. Let us wait. In the meantime, let's go to VNet, or virtual networks. Select Hub VNet and select on pairings. Click on Add, pairing name, Hub to Spoke, Spoke to Hub, and allow access to Spoke to VNet. Now our VNet is connected. Now we go and create a root table. Create RG1 East US, root table name RT1, region is East US. Next, next, create. So now the root table is created. Now go to resources and roots, add a root, root name, root 1. So destination type is IP address, and the destination IP is 0.0.0.0/0. Our hop address is our firewall. Azure firewall, Click on the firewall and copy the firewall address. Next, you paste the address. Click add. Root is added successfully. Now go to firewall. Select on the firewall. Now we need to add a rule. Add NAT rule. NAT rule. Any name can be given. Priority is 100. TCP IP address source destination port 33. Destination address is our firewall IP and destination port is 3389. Translated address is our virtual machine private IP 10.0.0.4. 0.0.4 port is 3389. Click on add. So our firewall rules has been successfully updated. Now we need to go to firewall. Go to the firewall public IP, copy it and connect with our RDP. So we are just logging in. Now we are just logging in with our firewall public IP. Connect using different account. Windows. Now we are connecting using firewall public IP. Use different Windows. Then password. Okay. Yes. So our Windows is now connected. We can check our virtual machine is connected. Command prompt. We can connect our virtual machine private IP ping.0.0.4. Yes, we are getting and we have connected. Thank you.